In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Dow Jones futures in TradingView. Whether you're an experienced trader or just getting started, knowing how to efficiently set up your watch list with the right futures can make a big difference in how you track financial markets. Let's dive right in and get started. First, look towards the top of your TradingView interface, where you'll find your watch list. It's typically on the sidebar to the right. Once you're there, you'll notice a small plus icon located next to your existing list of assets. This is where you have the opportunity to add new symbols to your watch list, so go ahead and click on that plus icon. This action brings up a search bar where you can start typing in the symbols of the Dow Jones futures that you want to follow. Now, when it comes to Dow Jones futures, there are several symbols you may be interested in. If you're considering adding the E-mini Dow futures, you'll want to type in YM1 into the search bar. On the other hand, if the micro E-mini Dow futures suit your trading objectives better, then you'll search for MIM1. There's also another option available if you're looking to keep an eye on continuous futures, in which case you'll enter Black Bull DJ30.F. Once you've entered your chosen symbol, you'll see it populating right there on your screen. With your preferred contract in sight, the next step is to select it and add it to your watch list. Remember, picking the right contract is all about what aligns best with your trading goals and strategies. Once you click on the symbol, it will be added to your watch list, and you're just a step away from accessing all the valuable insights you're searching for. The last thing you need to do is click on the symbol that you've just added to open its chart. This action provides a gateway to a wealth of information: live pricing, technical analysis, trading ideas, and more. This feature allows you to see your chosen asset's performance in real time and explore various technical indicators and market sentiments. Having this at your fingertips is invaluable for making well-informed trading decisions and keeping a close eye on the market movements. And there you go. With just these few steps, you've successfully added Dow Jones futures to your TradingView watch list, enabling you to track and analyze the market more efficiently. Thank you for watching today, and happy trading.